show you a lot of waterfalls out here in Sinharaja Forest Reserve. Good morning, welcome back to another episode of Living with Siley. Today is another beautiful morning in Sri Lanka. From the coastal side yesterday, we came towards a little hilly region of Denai. I started at around 6 from Colombo, so I reached here by 11:30, and I was very lucky enough to find a beautiful rest house which I will show you later. But my guide is here and we are off today towards Sinharaja Forest Trek. Here we are today on a very exciting trek with my trek guide Kuma, who's really currently riding the motorcycle. Just entered the forest reserve a few minutes back. I came across a lot of tree plantations and estates. Very unique thing that I have come across, and I will also take you over there. Hello. My name is Asmita. I am from Sri Lanka. I am from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. We just saw a beautiful school here in the forest, and now we are heading back to our trek, which is not yet started. This is the map that he was explaining. यहाँ से हम डिसाइड कर रहे थे कि हमको कौन सा ट्रैक का पाथ लेना है. दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज फॉरेस्ट. आप इसको एक दिन में बिल्कुल नहीं कवर कर पाएंगे. हार्डली यू हैव लाइक अराउंड 10 to 12 hours where you get day time, like where you get daylight. Because if you see, this is a very dense forest, तो यहाँ पर अंधेरा भी जल्दी होगा, and you have to make sure you are coming out of it in quite daylight.
These are made by the people who are entering the forest, and it's like a pay homage for the god in the area who is controlling like a land of the rainforest, like that.
So the bike is safely parked here, and we are going to start our trek. We are actually going to walk through the forest. 10:30 in the morning. We started very early. Did a lot of activities on the way, as you could have seen, and now we are going to walk right inside the forest. So there's a female here. See how it's dancing. How beautiful.
This is we call a sub-mountain evergreen rainforest. That means she has in the sub-mountain mean below 1,500 meters elevation of the sea level. Area wise is almost 11,183 hectares. So at the same time she getting almost 5,000 millimeters of rainfall for annum. So for 12 months. It is huge rainfall.
Kuma is becoming a bird to get to show me some birds. He's whistling in a very unique way to call out to some birds here, so we can spot some beautiful magpies of Sri Lanka. No, don't show me also.
Not to touch, but to see.
No, don't. Get very creeped out by snakes and lizards. So many leeches are going inside trying to bite me. There's a special, see, so many. So first you apply water.
Yes, then it's this was for the leech,
Oh.
anti-leech.
Oh,
Like this, okay.
anti-leech soap.
Yeah, it's especially made for the tea workers to be controlled, leech come to their feet. Actually, this is very good workout.
I'm hearing it for the first time.
Monsoon like coming month, April, May, June, July. You can see the brown color. The fungi is a bloom out. Very rare. Only in the rainforest, right? Yeah. This is durian fruit. You call wild durian. This belong to the rainforest. So this is a cascade actually, creating small gaps along the ground layer.
अभी हम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर 5 मिनट बैठ के रेस्ट कर रहे हैं and then we will head ahead again. After taking a nice fish spa, we are heading down again towards the waterfall. About to have some lunch now by the waterfall here. We are walking from a flood basin and going straight down the stream there.
The fern in the world, like all world fern. Like that. Oh.
I have never loved geography more than what I am doing today.
Waterfall, third one. There are two waterfalls together and create another waterfall here. Very nice swimming place there on the bottom. Aromatic cinnamon too.
Yes.
This is for your harmony of your mind. To therapy of aromatic therapy for your mind like that. Like a cathedral.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Yeah.
We have come out of the forest. So we trekked for around how many hours? Now 6-7 hours now.
Yes.
Since morning.
Yes,
and now Kamu has given me most important piece of information that there are leopards in the forest. After going in deep forest, he's telling me there are leopards in the forest. So within a few seconds, a few minutes actually, 15 minutes before, it was very sunny. You could see the entire tea plantations and the towns over there. But now suddenly, in 15 minutes time, it has become very misty and cloudy. पर वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं उस पीक पे और फिर हम जाएंगे वापस फॉरेस्ट के अंदर डार्कनेस में और फिर बाहर आएंगे. बट अभी एक 10 मिनट के ही टाइम में ये पूरा फॉरेस्ट इज गॉन अंडर द क्लाउड्स.